Here is Kiehl's Age Defender Eye Repair, and in this video I just wanted to show you exactly what it's like, give you an idea as to how to best use it, what you can expect from it, and who I think it would be best for. But perhaps most importantly, I wanted to share my thoughts and opinions with you since I started using this. So for me, the reason I got some, we have very young children. We got a baby and a 2.5-year-old, and sleep has become a massive issue for us, to the point where I just feel tired all the time and my face is showing it. So not only am I getting wrinkles, but I've also got kind of puffy eyes and just bags under my eyes have got really, really bad. So I've been looking for something to kind of conceal that a little bit, but also just make myself look a bit better and also feel a bit better about it. I've become a little bit, conscious of it. So I heard a lot of good things about this product and I decided to get some, and I'm really pleased I did. So as you can see, it's a convenient sized pot. I'm gonna kind of show you what it's like now. It is a cream. It's a little bit thicker than you might expect. It's more like a paste actually. And it's really easy to apply. So you only need a tiny little amount. So a little does go a long way. And you just massage it in under your eyes. So like in the bag area. So if I can show you, hopefully, got some glasses on. Let me see if I can do that. So you just kind of under here. I've got my nose there. You just massage it under the eyes. And it just instantly has a really nice, how you can see it now, a really nice kind of soothing effect, and it just makes them look better. You obviously give it a few minutes to work in, but it's really easy to use like that. And as I say, it's really helped with puffiness. My eyes just feel better. It's got a really pleasant smell about it. And the other thing I've noticed as well, and apparently this is if you smile a lot, you have something called crow's feet, which are kind of wrinkles around the eyes. I've got them, and you can use this. So where it says anti-wrinkle there, you can use this on crow feet as well, and any kind of wrinkles on your face. So while it is mainly for the eyes and kind of around the eyes, you could use it on wrinkles as well. And I've noticed some really good beneficial improvements since using this cream. You don't need to use much. I typically use it after a shower. So clean my face, dry my face, and then I use it, particularly at the start of the day. So yeah, it's great, good way to start the day, and then you can kind of head out and your face isn't as, as puffy, and your bags look better for that day. So it's really, really good like that. So yeah, who do I recommend it for? Anyone who's not really getting the sleep that they kind of need or want, or anyone who, just have puffy eyes, bags under their eyes, are just struggling to get rid of for whatever reason. This cream can really, really help with that. It's really easy to apply. I'm really pleased I got it, and I'd strongly recommend that you do too.